Try this again. What happened out there?
I told you everything I know.
Sure about that, kid?
You weren't there.
You getting smart with me?
They found your blood on the crime scene. Fingerprints.
Impossible.
Well, that's what everybody says when they get caught.
Why don't we go over this again? Who were the people that died?
I can't explain it.
Why don't you go ahead and try?
I don't want to do this anymore. Can I get some water?
Yeah, sure. Seems to answer some questions for us.
I feel dizzy.
Hey, we know you were there. Answer the questions.
Easy, buddy. Now.